Introducing Koura Manuka Honey Blend MGO 55+, sourced from the pristine forests of Kaikoura, New Zealand. MGO is a natural compound found in Manuka honey that gives it its unique antibacterial properties. It's known to help with digestive health, boost immunity and promote skin health and overall well-being. You can add it to your breakfast or using it as a natural sweetener. I personally love adding it to mint water, super refreshing. So why settle for ordinary honey when you can experience the extraordinary? Try and discover the difference.